Hello everybody, I'm Kimberly and this is Memaw's Crafts and Chaos and this is Sierra.
Hi everybody.
So today I have these molds. I don't know how I ended up with 3 of them, but they're like a little jar or like a little planter, but it's an elephant and I believe there's a baby elephant on its nose. Can't remember for sure. But anyway, we're going to do it 2 different ways. So she's going to do it in resin and I'm going to do it in magic pour. We're going to get the resin one done completely first, and then we'll do the magic pour one. But she's mixing the gray that she's using. It's called silver gray, and I believe I got this from resinmoldsexpress out of one of the boxes. I just put it was in a little plastic bag, and I just put it in this little jar thing because I don't like plastic bags. So she's doing that. If she does not like the color that turns, or if it's too dark, she's going to add some white to it. She's making sure that she has it stirred really well because you don't want any floating mica powders, because it then sinks to the bottom of your mold, which usually it is almost always the top of your mold. So then you have a funky spot on the very top of your mold. Dark enough? Oh, it's pretty dark. So you like the color, or are you going to add some white?
I'm going to add some white.
Okay. So on mine, when I do the magic pour, you can add acrylic paint to magic pour. What I do is I just add the color to my water before, and get it all mixed into my water before I add it to my powder. So I'm going to use black because this turns white. So I think if I use just black, possibly the 2 will make gray. I'm hoping. So that's what I'm going to try on this one. Every time I've tried mixing color in this, I either don't get enough. Well, that's always, I got the hiccups all of a sudden, sorry. I'm afraid to add too much, I guess. So like the last one I did, I tried to add purple to it and it was just, it was so light you couldn't even tell. So, I had a whole spoonful, baby. Not adding very much. There you go.
I already put a lot in there.
Did you? Oh, it doesn't look that different, does it? Oh, well, it does, I guess. That'd be a pretty elephant, though. So we're going to have to run this through the vacuum chamber, so we'll go get that done. We're going to decant it into 2 different things because that's kind of... Oh. So we're going to decant that into another thing just because that's kind of deep. We don't want a flash cure. So we will be back in a flash. Okay, go ahead.
I'm going to spray this with alcohol. And then I'm going to shove my hand in there and get the alcohol up in the trunk and all the different crevices. That's the ear, not the trunk.
Trunk, ear, what's the difference?
Yeah, what is the difference? It's this one first.
Excuse me. Okay, now do some swirling around and some pinching and get one of these and go up under that trunk right there just to make sure there's no kind of like rub up. Yeah, there you go. Just to kind of tease out any mica bubbles that might go up in there. Yeah, you'll have to fill them up a little more and then go up under it and then do the same thing for like his cheeks and his ears and all that. Oh, he wasn't even full on the trunk, so you'll have to do that again. So get his head full and then do all that. I can see the bubbles. I'm just trying to, whoops. That was almost a disaster.
Almost.
And then what don't poke around too, you don't want to introduce bubbles. Do this. Go like this and just kind of like go up under on that edge. Just to kind of tease out the bubbles like that. That's what I do. You don't want to poke around too much because you can kind of introduce bubbles if you do that. Poking too hard. So usually I just kind of tease in there. Any place that there's like when the bubbles rise up, see like right here on his trunk, teasing, or like when the bubbles rise up, it can stay right there. It's not going to move. So just, you can kind of see through this mold a little bit, so that's good. So you can kind of see if there's any bubbles or anything still in his ears or where that baby is and flower and all that. These are tusks, aren't they? But I think it's just, no, it's part of the baby. Okay. Not that one. That one won't scrape good. This one scrapes good.
Memaw found this elephant. It's a split mold. I'm going to spray it with alcohol. Really, really good. I'm going to shove my finger in there, make sure all the crevices are got alcohol in them. And we're going to finish using what I filled my elephant up with.
Okay, it's my turn now. So what I'm gonna do is I got me some water right here, and I'm going to actually mix my black into the water first because I don't want chunkiness. Good grief. Good. Holy moly. Let's take this off. Geez, it like, yeah. That's all right. I just want it off my fingers before I touch anything and make a dang mess. Good grief. Is it down there on the floor? We probably need to get that so it doesn't stain my floor. So I'm just going to get this mixed up good in this water. We're having technical difficulties right now. And I'm going to get it kind of dark. If my elephant's too dark, I'm fine with that. Just because I know when I mix it with the white, it's not going to be this dark anymore. So I just want to make sure I got it good and dark. Good and stirred up with my little mixer here. You mix it into your water first, and you don't have to worry about your stuff setting up on you while you're trying to get the color mixed in.
We have this stuff everywhere. I don't know where it's coming from, but everywhere I touch, I keep getting it all over my
I'm
hands.
sorry. I didn't know it was stuck down like that.
Okay. It's loose.
It dried right there and stuck it down. That's weird. Yeah, what a mess.
Yeah, it's all over my hands, guys.
It's all over mine too. It went up under my fingernail, so now my fingernail's gonna look like I
Bruised it, and Poppy's gonna be like, "What did you do?"
yeah. Okay.
Or, "What did you do this time?"
Yes, I'm good at the next time stuff. All right, so we're gonna pour this one in. I'm just gonna pour all that in, and whether it was too much or not, I don't know. I don't think it would be too much. And it wasn't, because I need more. Probably about half full. I probably made way too much. You know what? Go grab the other elephant. We'll see if I wonder if we'll have enough for that one too.
Excuse me. Then this one, right? Okay.
Yeah, I ordered these off of Temu, and I know I didn't order 3, and I didn't get charged for 3, but for some reason, they sent me 3. And I was like, well, not my fault. We might not have, I don't know if we'll have enough for that one or not.
Sure.
No, we'll have way too much for that. Pat his bottom.
I pat your bottom. Whoa.
Yeah,
It's coming down this.
that's all right. I don't care. Okay, guys. I guess we will see you back on demold.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, it's all cured up, so she's gonna get it unmolded. The other one did not work. I wondered with that with the paint that I put in there, so obviously that didn't work. I either put too much or it just wasn't the right kind of paint, because they would not cure up. So they just got, you're not under the camera.
Sorry, my bad.
You're just not, we just had to dump them out. So
Yeah. It was like mud.
yeah, it was trying to cure, but it never would.
Right, how cute. We still have a little bubbles there, but it's really not. But he's cute, or she's cute with her little baby. With this one, how do I unload that?
These are easy.
Oh, you just take the rubber bands off. Oh, that one's cute too.
Get a weird, when you have these split molds like this, you get weird stuff on the sides. That one's super hard to unmold.
Sorry, I thought I would try and help.
You would think for a little guy, he wouldn't be that bad, but for some reason, he's not easy to unmold. But get some alcohol in him, and he's easier to unmold.
And there's our bear. Super cute. I do like that gray a lot.
Yeah, it turned out good.
He just needs some shaving at the bottom because we got some sharp edges. He's cute. I've never seen this mold before.
Oh, I've done that one. I've never done it on camera, but I've made it for Charlie.
Yeah, all your elephants that you've made for Charlie, I haven't seen. But he's cute. They're still warm, but oh, look at that. That's cool.
So we need to do a little bit of some blinging on him. Oh, we didn't get the flower completely. I don't think. It's like it's like cut off right there.
Come here.
Clean up the bottom. It's bad, but
Yeah.
so let us see what we're gonna do with it, and we'll be right back. Okay, so got these all finished up. Gave her a pink bow, some pink in her ears, pink in the baby's ears, did her tusks white, just put a little bit of dark where their eyes are supposed to be, not a lot, just a little bit, some in her little nose holes there, did her toenails black. There's not really a whole lot you can do to it, but I think it just that little bit dressed it up a little. So anyway, that's her. She turned out cute. It is really a cute elephant. This little elephant, I just did her eyes, put a little pink in her on her tongue, and then did her toenails black, and then just gave some grass down here from where she's sitting. Not really a lot you can do to that one either, but it's still a cute little elephant too. And then the little bear, just gave her some gems in her eyes, did her nose and her mouth, put a couple of rhinestones in her ears, and some rhinestones on her little heart right there. So that's it. That's all we did for those. Might have to try this again. I was thinking maybe just do it completely in the magic pour and then just paint it. That might work pretty good. I'll have to try that on another video. But anyway, please like, subscribe, comment. Subscribing is very important, but commenting and liking the videos is super important. So if you could do that for me, I sure would appreciate it. And don't forget, always embrace your chaos. Thanks, guys.